Can you believe these homemade healthy bagels are made with only 3 ingredients? It's the weekend, which means it's the perfect time to whip up some homemade bagels. I start by adding flour to a bowl. I'm using spelt flour for this recipe, which is an amazing source of fiber and gentle on digestion. I added Greek yogurt and get in there with my hands. It took me quite a while to start making bread and bagels at home, but once I realized how easy it was, they became a regular part of my routine. There is something therapeutic about creating things from scratch that makes each bite even more satisfying. I glaze it with some egg yolk and sprinkle some seasoning on top, and I pop them in the air fryer for about 10 minutes. And it was that easy. Look at these perfectly done bagels. Now, my favorite parts are the toppings. I love a breakfast bagel with scrambled eggs and cream cheese, pickled onion, basically anything that has a beautiful color and comes from the garden. Fresh dill on everything, and there we go. My breakfast sandwich is ready to go. Save this recipe to make this at home.